Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we delve deep into the world of delicious dishes and uncover fascinating unknown facts. Today, we're taking a culinary journey to Brazil to uncover the hidden secrets behind a mouth-watering dish known as Arroz Carreteiro. So, stick around to learn something new and exciting about this Brazilian delight. Arroz Carreteiro is a hearty and flavorful Brazilian dish that's a true hidden gem, often overshadowed by more popular Brazilian dishes like feijoada and churrasco. But it has a rich history and a unique story to tell. The origin of Arroz Carreteiro. Arroz Carreteiro, which translates to wagoner's rice, has its roots in the southern region of Brazil, specifically in the state of Rio Grande do Sul. This dish is closely linked to the region's Gaucho culture, where cattle ranching played a significant role. The name, carreteiro, comes from the cattle herders who used to travel long distances with their herds, often cooking this dish in the open fields. It was a practical and delicious way to sustain themselves during their journeys. The ingredients. Now, let's talk about the ingredients that make Arroz Carreteiro so unique. The dish primarily consists of rice, dried meat, usually beef or jerked beef, garlic, onions, and various seasonings. The dried meat, known as charque in Portuguese, is a crucial component. It's soaked and then cooked, giving the dish its distinct flavor. The cooking process. The cooking process of Arroz Carreteiro is both simple and exquisite. The dish starts with sautéing onions and garlic in a big iron pan, creating a fragrant base. The dried meat is then added and cooked until it becomes tender. Finally, rice and seasonings like bay leaves, black pepper, and cumin are added, and everything simmers together until the flavors meld beautifully. Regional variations. One of the exciting things about Arroz Carreteiro is that it can vary significantly from region to region. In the south of Brazil, it's common to find Arroz Carreteiro made with jerked beef, while in other regions, you might find variations with different meats or additional ingredients like beans and bell peppers. Arroz Carreteiro today. Today, Arroz Carreteiro remains a beloved and comforting dish in Brazil. It's often served at family gatherings, BBQs, and even in restaurants. It has truly stood the test of time and has become a symbol of Brazil's rich culinary heritage. The simple yet delicious combination of ingredients in Arroz Carreteiro continues to captivate the taste buds of both Brazilians and those lucky enough to discover this hidden gem. The influence of gastronomy. To truly appreciate Arroz Carreteiro, you have to understand its place in the grand tapestry of Brazilian gastronomy. Brazil is a diverse and vast country, with each region contributing its unique culinary traditions. Arroz Carreteiro's simplicity mirrors the straightforward, yet delicious, approach to food that's deeply ingrained in Brazilian culture. Seasonal variations. Did you know that Arroz Carreteiro can even change with the seasons? In some regions, Arroz Carreteiro might be prepared differently depending on the season. In the summer, you might find lighter versions with fresh ingredients like tomatoes and parsley, while in the winter, it's all about hearty, stick-to-your-ribs comfort food. The perfect side dish. Arroz Carreteiro isn't just a standalone dish, it's often served as a delicious side dish. At Brazilian BBQs, or churrascos, Arroz Carreteiro plays the role of the perfect companion to grilled meats. Its flavors complement the smoky and savory elements of the barbecued food, making it an essential part of the feast. A nod to sustainability, Arroz Carreteiro carries a sustainable message in its heritage. Its origins in the Gaucho culture highlight the importance of sustainable food practices. The use of dried meat was a practical way to preserve meat during long journeys and reduce waste, which is still relevant today in discussions about sustainable food production. Global influences. Arroz Carreteiro's story doesn't end within the borders of Brazil. This dish has transcended borders and influenced other cuisines. In some South American countries, you'll find variations of Arroz Carreteiro, adapted to local ingredients and preferences, but still carrying the essence of this Brazilian classic. That's it for today's episode of Food Explorer's Corner. I hope you've enjoyed uncovering the unknown facts about Arroz Carreteiro. It's a dish deeply rooted in Brazilian culture, and it's a must-try if you ever find yourself in Brazil. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting culinary adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and savoring the world's amazing flavors. Thanks for watching.